Okay, welcome back to mathematics class. Yes, we are discussing exercise 10.2. First and second main is over now. So we have to discuss the third main now. So third main question I'll read first. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4 and which are not. Okay. So question is check which of the following are solutions of the equation. Solutions. When we can say that solution word, solution in the sense xy value we have to balance xy. If we substitute x and y value, it is balanced with the RHS part. Then we can say that given xy are the solutions of the given equation. Now we have to check whether the given 5 solutions are the solution of the given equation or not. Okay. So here I took the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. So x minus 2y is equal to 4. Here 0 comma 2, 2 comma 0, 4 comma 0, root 2 comma 4 root 2, then 1 comma 1. We have to check whether these 5 solutions are the solution of this equation or not. Okay. First we will try for the first one. So x minus 2y which is equal to 4. Here solutions are always in the form of x comma y. Now we have to substitute x value and y value. If LHS is equal to RHS, so then we can say that 0 comma 2 is the solution of the equation. Now let us substitute. 0 minus 2 into y value is 2, okay, which is equal to 4. Now you just observe 0 comma minus 2 which is equal to 4. Can we do this type? Minus 2 into 2 which is equal to 4. So better we'll do one thing. Here we cannot balance with the equal sign, no? So we have to observe x minus 2y is equal to x value is 0 minus 2 into y value is 2. X minus 2y is equal to 0 minus 4, that is minus 4 we got. X minus 2y is equal to minus 4. You just observe. Here x minus 2y is minus 4. Minus 4 is not equal to plus 4. So LHS not equal to RHS. Right now, this result we got. In the RHS part, plus 4 is there. But in the LHS part, we got minus 4. Therefore, 0 comma 2 is not a solution of x minus 2y which is equal to 4. This time you have to write the conclusion. Got the idea of this concept, students? So you have to substitute 0 comma 2 in the given equation. If you get LHS is equal to RHS, then it is a solution. Otherwise it is not a solution. Now we have to check by the second one. That is x minus 2y is equal to 4. For the same equation we have to check. First we have to deal with the LHS. LHS which is equal to x minus 2y. So LHS which is equal to x minus 2y. X value is 2 minus 2 into y value is 0. Then 2 in minus 0, that is equal to 2. LHS is equal to 2. We are observing that RHS is equal to 4. RHS which is equal to 4. Here right now 2 minus 2 into 0. So 2 into 0 is 0 only. Yes. LHS is 2, RHS is 4. So LHS not equal to RHS. Therefore, 2 comma 0 is not a solution. Not a solution of x minus 2y is equal to 4. Got the idea of this one? Yes. Now, next question. 4 comma 0. Now we have to start with the LHS. LHS is equal to x minus 2y. So x value is 4 minus 2 into 0. So 4 minus 0 which is equal to 4. LHS we got 4. RHS is also equal to 4. Therefore, LHS which is equal to RHS result we got. So therefore, 4 comma 0 is a solution. Solution of the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. That you can complete now. Yes, now we have to check for this value. So now we have to deal with LHS first. LHS is x minus 2y which is equal to x value is root 2 minus 2 into y value is 4 root 2. Now you just have root 2 minus Here 2 into 4 root 2. What is the value? 4 2s are 8. 8 root 2. Root 2 minus 8 root 2. What is the simplified answer? Root 2 minus 8 root 2. We can subtract, no? 8 root 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ root 2. Subtract ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 7 root 2. Why minus? Bigger number sign is minus. Minus 7 root 2. LHS we got minus 7 root 2. But in the RHS part we have 4. So LHS not equal to RHS. LHS not equal to RHS. Got the same answer now? So what is your conclusion? So therefore root 2 and 4 root 2 are not a solution, okay, of the equation. Not a solution. Can you read that one? Yes. Now let us try for the last one. Last one, x is LHS is equal to x minus 2y. Then 1 minus 2 into 1, that is 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. LHS is minus 1. We are observing RHS is equal to 4. So LHS not equal to RHS. 1 comma 1 is not a solution. Not a solution of x minus 2y is equal to 4. Got the idea of this problem, students? How to verify the given solution is a solution of the given equation or not? This is the method. First you have to start with the LHS part. Substitute x and y value. So if you got the same RHS, so then LHS is equal to RHS result if you got, then you can say that the given solution is a solution of the x minus 2y is equal to 4. In this type, you have to work out the problem. Got the idea of this one? Do you have any confusion, students? Do you have any confusion regarding this type of problem? Any confusion? No confusion? Yes, last problem is discussed already. Find the value of k if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. So, x is equal to 2, 2x, 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1. So, k is equal to 7. So, that day only we discussed no answer for the fourth question. Okay, so now this is the end of exercise 10.2. This is the end of exercise 10.2. Do you have any confusion regarding this topic, students? Do you have any confusion? If you have any confusion, you can discuss. Otherwise, tomorrow we'll discuss the new topic. That is, I told actually new topic introduction I'll give today only. No, it's already 12:47. Tomorrow with fresh morning we'll start the new topic. Okay. So because we need graph paper and all, no. Anyhow, tomorrow also again we have to discuss the introduction part. That's why no need to discuss the introduction part for the graph today. So tomorrow only we'll start the new topic. Now up to 10.2, do you have any confusion, students? Otherwise we'll end the class. Today's homework is complete the assignment 1. That is only homework. Complete assignment 1. Is that clear? Assignment 1 you have to finish. And test paper you have to resolve in your notebook. Test paper. FA1 test paper, you have to resolve. Solution I'll send. One student got out of 4 mark. That paper photo I'll send. Yesterday I got one out of 4 paper. If you want the solution for the first test, I'll send the solution today. You have to solve one more time FA1 paper in your notebook, fair notes. Okay, in arithmetic or geometry, any notes? Yes, do you have any confusion, students? Yes, can we end the class now? Yeah, only 25 students joined. Yes, have a nice day, Pranav. Okay, thank you, Pranav. Same to you. Okay, students, then meet you tomorrow. Okay, tata, bye-bye. So, we have to do your consolidation work, okay, now. So we have to see the marks, how you scored in the examination. Okay, so tomorrow we will come with your examination marks. Be ready to receive the marks.